I'm Edward Munoz, and I will show you how you can work with the balloon arch and column kits. Enjoy this video. The latex balloon arch and column kit comes with 4 bases, 4 pieces, the extension pole, 1 arch cord, latex electric inflator, and balloon rings. We need to start with the base. Pull out the receptacle and slide in. To lock, just twist. It's a cap here that you can remove and add water. That will help you to add some weight and make it stable your arch or column. Insert the pole with holes in the 2 ends and twist to lock. We want our balloon arch beautiful and clean. That's why we want all our balloons on the same size. I will use the sizer and the number 10 inches. Just hold your balloon, put on the neck, and push down. And now, it's time to use the sizer. And tie. Hold the balloon. You see here, between, I have 2 fingers, I use all the time 2 fingers to tie. Hold the neck, wrapping around between the 2 fingers. And you see here this space. Just take your neck, the balloon, and pull through, and that's it. Just keep inflating until you have 128 balloons for the arch. We finished to inflate all the balloons. Now it's time to work with the balloon rings. Each one have 4 slots. The neck, not the balloon, just slide in your balloon ring. Next one, just slide in the knot inside the slot. Continue until you get 4 balloons. Now it's time to start making our balloon arch. But first, I want to tell you all the slots need to facing down in our base. Look how quick and easy. After we finish the second base setup, it's time to put together the arch cord. If you see, just open and slide in the black part inside the silver part. The black part inside the silver part. Just slide in the arch cord into the balloon cluster. In this point, if you are working alone, it's easier if you slide in one section, the balloon cord on the pole. And continue work. After everything is done, just make sure all the balloons are organized. To make our balloon columns, we use the same process like we did before with the balloon arch, but in this case, we have to use the extension pole. I will show you how you can make your spiral column in case you want to do that. But actually, you can use the same technique in the balloon arch. How do you do that? When you make your cluster, you need to make sure you can use 4 different colors. In this case, I use 3 different colors. 2 the same color across and 2 different colors across. When we done the first quad, before we slide the second one, just make sure you have the same position in colors. Like this. All the quad on top, the bottom quad, is the same position, the color. In this point, you decide if you want your spiral to the left or to the right. And I want to the right. If you want to make a standard balloon column, this is perfect. You need just 8 clusters. If you want to make taller, just make sure you add more balloon rings. To finish this beautiful balloon spiral, we need to finish with something beautiful and amazing. That's why I will use a 3-foot balloon. I will show you how we can tie that 3-foot balloon on top the arch column. This cap have 1 hole and it's open on top. The process is simple. Just slide in the neck of your balloon through the hole, hold it on the bottom, and just the rest of the balloon slide in through the open section. I will show you right now. If you see, I put inside the rest of my neck, the balloon, pull through my open section. So we need to slide in the cap to the pole. Look how beautiful this looks. Thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed this video and we can wait until watch what you can create with those techniques.